now I think it's time to solve it with one hand. I don't know why. I don't know the entertainment value in this. Like, here we go. First, we gotta scramble this up some more. Okay, I'm ready. So, the first thing we gotta do is we gotta make the white cross. Okay, this is actually hard, harder than it looks. Uh, yep. The white cross. The white cross is something. So, you know, I've made this structure over here. It's called a daisy. I don't know, man. You guys. Okay. And it's hard doing the moves with just one hand. Okay. So we've got this white cross over here. Now it's time to solve the two layers. I use a method in which I solve them at the same time. So we gotta find a white piece. So here we go, we have this white piece and this white piece. So ah. Batman. Okay, so we I think I got it. Yes, so pretty much solved this layer. Now it's time to solve this one. Ah. So yeah, we got another one. So we got this one and we've got this one. Okay, so let's just try to so this layer is pretty much done. Just this part left. So how do we do this? We go here. This is a pretty useless skill to have, solving a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so we're done the first two layers. Now it's time to complete this yellow layer. So I think this is actually a really useless skill to have. It's not like someone is out there like wishing that only if there was a guy who can solve a Rubik's Cube in one hand, all his problems will be solved. But like, okay, so we've got this pattern. It had the algorithm. I kind of forgot. Yeah. Uh, oh, so the yellow side is done. Now it's time to. Okay, so all the corners have already been mashed up. So. No. I think we're almost there. We're almost there and done. I feel pretty much really proud of myself. Uh, yeah, I wasted like 2 weeks on this. It's kind of really addictive. You see it scrambled and you kind of feel like, dude, I gotta do something about this. I don't scramble this shit. Okay, so here you go. This is me trying to solve the Rubik's Cube with one hand, and I did. Next up, I'm gonna learn an algorithm with which you're able to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. I don't know, man. I have nothing to do in life, so yeah, this is pretty much a skill that people want to see. People are dying over here. People want to see a guy solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. I'll do one better. I'll solve it blindfolded with one hand. So, subscribe, and I don't have a catchphrase. Bye.